For me, it was like Extreme Makeover, the SouthTech edition. This project started 18 months ago. The transformation has been phenomenal. This is going to be the most incredible educational experience that career and college-minded students have had available to them in a very long time. So welcome to your Medical Sciences Academy. Everything that you're seeing right here is brand new and it is for you.
Oh my God, this looks so nice.
You see these young people with dreams. We've had the best instructors and now they have the facility where the sky is the limit.
It's really nice.
Having all the resources available, this is amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
We've arrived. For the first time, these students are going to have a cafeteria, brand new lockers. We have beautiful landscaping. Every academy is new and improved.
You see the individual exhaust system.
It's here. It's waiting for students to experience it, to hone in on their skills, to do amazing things.
When I first came in and walked on campus, I was just ecstatic to see the new facilities and how much of an upgrade it was and how I was going to be spending my senior year in somewhere where I was proud to be called a Bulldog.
The excitement level is incredible and we're just so thankful that everybody is stepping in to make great things happen.